Let's go. Do your job and do it for your brother in there. That's all we want to do.
Zone, and it is intercepted. Yes, Terry Brown at the 1-yard line. They're in motion. Lindsey to throw. A little screen pass to Darius Taylor. Gets a block at the 30. Turns it outside 35. Has a little more room. Gets another block at midfield. Breaks a tackle down the sideline. Pass to Brockington's got a block down the sideline. 10-5 touchdown. Brockington's second receiving touchdown of the year. Again, rolling right is Lindsey. Throws toward the goal line. Gears caught it. Backpedaling into the end zone.
Two programs going in opposite directions.
Another key play in that drive. Maccabee next to Brown. And Brown wants to throw it. It's intercepted. Parrish down the sideline to the 10. 5.